Southwest fans, listen closely. What if one credit card could make flying cheaper every single year, even if you only take one trip? That's the promise of the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus card, and most people underestimate its value. Let's break it down. This card is built for people who fly Southwest Airlines. It has a modest annual fee, but here's the surprising truth. Every year, you receive bonus points on your card anniversary. Those points alone can offset a large portion of the annual fee. You earn Rapid Rewards points on Southwest purchases and everyday spending. Southwest points are simple. There are no blackout dates, and points are directly tied to ticket prices. If a seat is available for cash, it's available for points. The welcome bonus is often the biggest value. Depending on the offer, you can earn enough points for multiple flights. For many cardholders, the bonus alone justifies keeping the card for several years. Another important benefit is that points earned count toward the companion pass. This is one of the most powerful perks in domestic travel. If you qualify, a companion can fly with you for free, paying only taxes and fees. Now let's talk about limitations. This card does not include luxury perks like lounge access for seat upgrades. Southwest doesn't offer first class, and this card reflects that simplicity. There are also foreign transaction fees, and the earning rates outside Southwest purchases are average. So who is this card for? The surprising truth is that it's ideal for loyal Southwest flyers who value simplicity and savings over luxury. If you fly Southwest once or twice a year, this card can still make sense. If you fly often, it becomes even more valuable. In the end, this card isn't about prestige. It's about lowering the cost of travel in a predictable way. If this review helped you decide whether it fits your travel style, subscribe for more honest credit card insights. Smart travel starts with choosing the right tools. Title start GM business card review title PNE script start what if your business spending could directly pay for your next vehicle instead of just earning generic cash back? Most people get this wrong, but the GM business card is not a traditional rewards card, and that's exactly why it can be powerful for the right business owner. Let's break it down in simple terms. The GM business card is designed specifically for businesses that buy, lease, or service General Motors vehicles. Instead of earning points for travel or cash back, you earn statement credits that can be redeemed toward eligible GM purchases. That includes new vehicles, parts, accessories, and certain services. Here's how the reward structure typically works. You earn elevated rewards on GM purchases, solid rewards on common business expenses like gas and dining, and a base rate on everything else. Over time, those rewards can add up to thousands of dollars in credits if your business operates vehicles or plans to purchase one. Most people misunderstand this card and assume it's limiting. The surprising truth is that if GM is already part of your business operations, this card turns unavoidable expenses into future savings. There's no annual fee, which makes it easy to keep long-term. You're not pressured to justify the card every year. If your business is eligible and approved, it's essentially a cost-free way to earn vehicle credits. Another underrated benefit is expense tracking. As a business card, it separates business and personal spending, making accounting and tax preparation easier. That may not sound exciting, but it saves real time and stress. Now let's talk about limitations. Rewards can only be redeemed toward GM-related purchases. You can't cash them out or use them for travel. If your business has no connection to GM vehicles, this card makes very little sense. There are also spending caps on the highest reward categories, so it's important to understand how much you can realistically earn each year. So who is this card for? The surprising truth is that it's perfect for small businesses, contractors, and fleet operators who already rely on GM vehicles. For everyone else, a flexible cashback card is probably better. In short, the GM business card is a niche tool, but in the right hands, it quietly turns everyday business spending into major vehicle savings. If this review helped you see whether this card fits your business, subscribe for more honest credit card insights. The best card is the one that aligns with how you actually operate.